Hello my fellow Watchateers and welcome back to an unscheduled episode, because today I got a package, and at the moment I started to open it I realized, wait a minute, I need a camera right now, because this is how you send a watch to a buyer. So, and let's check it out what I bought. I went a bit mad on eBay the last few days and I got one here, and yeah, I was blown away when I opened this up, because this is impeccable. This is awesome. This is how you send a watch to a buyer, by the way. Okay, let's see. We don't do a camera flip because it's just too big for the camera, so I will show you that in this way. You open it up and look what's inside. This is awesome packaging. We even got Nato straps with it, and wow, that's awesome, because when I think about what I paid for this one, the fact that I got Nato straps with it is just mind-blowing. So we take it out. Let's see. Watch. And this is how you send Nato straps. Not even only Natos. Leather straps. He put leather straps in there too. Awesome. This package alone is about 30 quid. I reckon it's 15 per strap plus the leather strap. Let's say it's another 20. It's 50 bucks. It's almost what I paid for the watch in straps and the watch. So this is a watch I want to mod. This is the perfect base for mod, and I will do a series about that modding that watch, because it's going to be transformed. It's going to be transformed 100%. So, but let's see. See, bubble wrap. This is how you send a watch securely. Awesome. I love it. I just love it. And let's open it up. He even had a plastic bag over the straps, so the straps won't get hurt. I mean, what the fuck? Come on. This is just awesome. Thank you. So, what do I buy though? It's a Seiko 5 Snzg15k. Awesome. And he even put the strap in the buckle, so I mean, come on. This is just wow. Mind blown. I can tell you that, guys. Mind blown. We got the Snzg15k with the 7S26 movement, and yeah, it looks decent. Let's check it out if the camera is focusing or not. I will do an in-depth review on Saturday, so don't be alarmed. There will be an in-depth review, and there will be a roadmap for this watch, what I wanted to do with it, what I want to change, what I want to mod, and we will go on this journey together. But it looks impeccable. It looks awesome. It has a few scratches on the crystal, but no biggie, get changed anyway, so I'm very happy with it. And yeah, I just wanted to show you how you package a watch. This is how you package a watch. Big thank you to the seller. Awesome dude. Quick shipping, no problem at all. He was straightforward with all of it, and awesome, and it ticks, so it works. I will test it out tomorrow, how the watch is performing, if it is a good movement or a not so good movement. But let's see what straps I got with it. I got a wonderful navy and light blue NATO strap with it, and I mean, look at it. It just works. It just works. It's awesome. They get cleaned though, because they have human slime on it, and they get cleaned before I wear them. But it's in good condition. There is no damage on them at all. I don't know which brand they are. They're unbranded, so I guess they are just a bunch of cheap NATO straps, but it's okay. And a black one, and it's 20 mil, and I didn't had a black 20 mil strap, so awesome that I got that. I wanted to buy it a few days ago, but I didn't, and I'm happy about it because now I have one. And yeah, it looks good. It looks like it's almost never been worn. Even the holes are in excellent shape. They're very beautiful. Cool. And we got a leather strap with a big buckle on it. Let's see. Genuine leather, so yeah. Oh, it's 22? It's a 22 watch? Ah, ooh. Alex, get your facts straight. It's 22. Again, awesome. The strap looks very good. The top half of the strap also looks very good. It's not been worn much. And I mean, for 60 bucks, including shipping, that's a no-brainer, isn't it? I mean, the watch alone costs around 120, 150 Amazon-ish, and I got it minus 50%. So the price of 60 bucks alone for the watch alone is sufficient. And he gave me his strap. I even told him I don't need straps, but he just said, "Oh, they're in there. I put it in there. It's not a problem." Infantry company. Okay, they're from infantry.com. So again, thank you very much. I appreciate it, and I love the watch. It's awesome, and it's going to be a very, very modern, awesome watch, and I'm excited for the journey. So let's be excited together, and yeah, we see each other in the next one when I review this watch. I know there are tons of review on it on the internet, but I wanted to give it my own spin and tell you guys the roadmap, how this watch is going to look in a couple of weeks from now. So see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see something special. I got a watch that started it all, that started me into the hobby, that got me into the hobby, and I want to talk about that watch in one of the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that one, and we see each other in the next one. Stay watchateers. Stay watchateers? No, that's not a phrase. Stay healthy, watchateers. Yeah, I'll go with that. See ya.